Is wedding planning stressing you out? You can look online for hours and not know where to turn. Come to our date night. What we have done is brought the best group of wedding professionals for your big day. We have planners, DJs, photographers, florists, venues. We have everything you need to bring your wedding vision to life. Everybody that we've brought together has worked many times together. We know how we interact. We know what we need to do to make your day a breeze. Our couples love us because they don't have to worry about a thing. At our date night, you'll enjoy cocktails, snacks, entertainment, and you'll learn some great information to help you choose the right professionals for your day. Do you know what flowers are in season? Probably not. Do you know how to create the best timeline for your day? I don't think so. But come to our date night and we will show you exactly that, plus so many other tips to help your day go smooth. There's nothing worse than being stressed out on your big day or having your family stress you out from all the planning. Come see us and we'll take care of all of those things so you can be as stress-free as possible on your big day. Do you already have some of your vendors booked? No problem. We have so many tips and tricks for you for your big day that you can take away and implement in your own wedding. Join us at the wedding party date night and come meet your new wedding friends with benefits.
Action.
Is wedding planning stressing you out? Okay, sorry.
Take two.
Okay. Okay. Can I go whenever? Okay. But you don't know who's good and who's not. Come to our date night. What we do is we have, damn it. Can I keep going? Yeah. Come to our date night. What we have done is brought the best group of professional wedding planners. Damn it, no. Okay. What we have done, you're laughing. Come to our date night. What we have done has brought the planning the best wedding for your dreams. Let me see this. Okay, you're laughing. Okay, all right.
What are we doing?
I know, that's why I'm like, it's gonna come to me if I just keep laughing. I haven't even said my name yet. Oh, okay. Do you want me to say my name? Do you like the whole like online bit, like look online and don't know where to turn? Okay, because that's true. Come see us and we'll make your day stress-less. Okay. Do you already have some of your vendors booked? No problem, because we have so many big, what am I saying? big tips. Have it all. Do you already have some of your vendors booked? Stop. Be stress-free on your big day. That's no problem. We have so many tips and tricks. Oh my God! Tips and tricks.
How about we just slow you down?
Okay. All right, cool. All right. It's just a lot. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
you should. Oh, you should do that. You should be like, don't put the one. Yeah,
Okay.
it's definitely sliding on camera.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you already have some of your vendors booked? No problem. We have so many tips and tricks for your big day that you can take away and implement on your own wedding. So sorry. It's really hard to like see what sounds natural while still looking in the camera. Join us at the wedding party date night and come meet your new wedding friends with benefits.
Oh,
It's okay.
That's okay.
Well, it blanks.
Wait, what? Okay.
No, I'll take it.
Did I say come?
Yeah.
Okay, well, somebody's coming. It can be them after. I'm not judgy.